Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Basecamp project management and comms, my simple teamwork experience. Basecamp project management and comms is a platform designed to streamline teamwork and communication within organizations. It's aimed at teams of all sizes who want to centralize project management, file sharing, and communication in one place. Key features include to-do lists, message boards, schedules, and document storage. Their website provides further details on different plans and features. Basecamp emphasizes simplicity and ease of use, aiming to be a less cluttered alternative to other project management tools. They offer a flat monthly fee, with no hidden fees or contracts, making pricing transparent. Their approach focuses on centralizing all project-related information to avoid the need for scattered emails and multiple apps. Availability is worldwide, and you can check their website for the latest pricing and plan details. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Basecamp project management and comms. Getting started was a breeze. Signing up and onboarding my team was straightforward, and the interface is very intuitive. I was up and running within minutes. Navigating the platform was easy. I quickly got the hang of creating to-do lists for different projects, assigning tasks to team members, and using the message boards for discussions. For instance, we used Basecamp to manage a website redesign project. We created separate to-do lists for design, content creation, and development. This kept everything organized and allowed us to track progress easily. Performance was generally good. The platform was consistently reliable and responsive. I didn't experience any downtime or significant lag. File uploads and downloads were quick and efficient. The standout feature for me was definitely the hill charts, which visually represent the progress of a project. It's a great way to get a quick overview of where things stand. One minor drawback I encountered was the limited integration with other services I use regularly, like Google Calendar. It took me a little while to get used to scheduling within Basecamp itself. I did have a quick question about file sharing permissions early on, and their support responded within a day via email with a clear and helpful answer. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Basecamp. It's a solid platform that simplified our team's communication and project management. While it has a few minor quirks, it generally met my needs and helped us stay organized. That's my overview of Basecamp project management and comms, my simple teamwork experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.